Application security is a process of developing, adding, and testing various security features within an app to test various security vulnerabilities in order to prevent unauthorized access and modifications. Hi, I am Indranil and I am a tech lead at TechHugo, and today we are going to discuss about application securities. When you safeguard the data that you are exchanging between your apps or from app to website, you increase the stability of the app by protecting the data that you send and receive. So now let's talk about various ways in which we can increase our app security. First is penetration testing. Penetration testing is also known as ethical hacking or white hat hacking, in which we deliberately hack our app in a controlled environment. In doing so, we get to know the various security vulnerabilities that are there in the app, and accordingly, we can find solutions to solve those kind of problems. Second is securing your servers. Our app connects with various web services in order to send and receive data which is required to update our UI on various modules. So from securing the data to securing the link, we must use SSL and various other security features and threat detection system on our servers to prevent any unauthorized access and data manipulation. Third is improving the data security within the app. This is the most important step, as cyber criminals can very easily trace the data that are there on your local storage. So how can we improve this particular feature? First is using room database or MySQLite instead of shared preference. Second is using proper encryption methods to safeguard the data that you are storing on your local storage. Third is blocking screenshotting and screen recording in areas where you want to safeguard your data. And fourth is enabling file data protection system on your Android and iOS devices. Next is using SSL certificates. While we mostly think that SSL certificates are important for websites, they are also very important for our apps. Let's take an example of a payment gateway module, which is the prime target of all cyber criminals. So when any customer sees a SSL certificate while they are making a transaction, it gives them a confidence. So using of SSL certificates is very important for our apps. Last is proper selection of third-party libraries. While we write any piece of code in our program, we have a full control over it. We can edit it, delete it, and even we can manipulate it in any which way. But what about the third-party libraries and the SDKs that we are using? We cannot tamper with the codes. So it is our duty to properly select those third-party libraries which comply with the Google and the Apple developer policies. So to conclude, we can use all these methods to secure our app and make it almost impossible for the hackers to steal our data. If you have any question, please feel free to comment below and we will be very happy to reply. Stay tuned. Thank you.